Hi, my name is Meenakshi Kumawat. After completing my MBA, I just want to enhance my skill and boost my career in digital marketing. Then I was searching for the best digital marketing institute. One of my friends suggested me that you should join Quibus Institute because she already did the same from here. Then decided to join Quibus Training Institute. My 4-month journey at Quibus Institute has been truly transformative. In the guidance of Parmveer Sir, starting with the fundamentals of marketing and correct use of digital tools. Parmveer Sir clear all the doubts and solve all the queries before topic end. From starting till to complete my course, I learned lot of digital marketing terms like Canva to design post, making logo, use of AI tool, social media marketing. Learning about SEO technique was enlightening, and now I feel confident in optimizing website for search engine. In classroom session, we make Facebook ads, Google ads were two of the most challenging but rewarding aspects of the course. Under the expert guidance of Parmveer Sir, I learned how to create and manage effective ad campaigns on these platforms. During course, we do lots of assignments, tasks, which help me apply what I learned. Parmveer Sir mentorship was invaluable, providing me with practical insight and personalized guidance. We built our own website with 15 blogs. Now currently I convert my blog website into e-commerce website and handle my Instagram page. My overall experience was amazing. This journey has equipped me with the skill and knowledge needed to excel in the world of digital marketing. And I'm very much thankful for the guidance and support of Parmveer Sir. If you thought about to build your career in digital marketing, so don't waste your time. Join Quibus Institute. This is one of the best institute for digital marketing. Thank you.